Hello guys, it's me your friend Roshan Kumar Shah and I welcome you to my 30th Q Basic Programming Language tutorial. So here we go. This time no any music in the background. Actually I'm enjoying a lot nowadays in making tutorials, and that's why I played the background song in the previous tutorial. But I will limit myself, no more jokes. I will, but only a little bit, as I won't waste your time. So this tutorial is gonna print out the product of the digits of numbers. Suppose there is a number called 45. 45 6. Okay, cool. So this there is a number called 456 456. Okay, now suppose I have to print out the product of the digits of the number, that is what is gonna be the value of 4 star 5, oh no, 4 star 5 star 6. What is the multiplication of the digits of an inputted number? So what is it? 6 by 30 and 120. It is 120. So how QBasic will do it, and I will show you guys how the heck this QBasic will do this task. Suppose the user inputted a number 245. Okay, now I have assigned the value 1 to the variable p, and you guys will know that why I have done so very soon. You guys will. Now while n is greater than 0, what is n? N is 245. Hey, is 245 is greater than 0? Yes, it is true. That's why the statements inside the loop will get executed. Now r is equal to n mod 10. What is n mod 10 over here? You guys must know it. Now I have I've told many times the uses of modulus, and it is that it gives us the remainder. So whenever 245 is divided by 10, the remainder is gonna be 5. So the number 5 is gonna be stored in the variable called r. Now new p is equal to old p into r. What is old p? The value of old p is 1. What is the value of r? R is 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. And now the value of new p is gonna be 5. Cool. Now n is equal to n backslash 10. Okay, so what is n? N is 245, and if we divide it by 10, then the answer is 24.5. But since we divided it by 10 using a backslash, that's why 0.5 will get omitted, and the only number left with us will be 24. So now is 24 greater than 0? Yes, it is. So it is again true. So since it is true, now what is the value of n? N is 24, and 24 mod 10 will keep the remainder as 4. So again, new p is equal to old p into r. What is old p? The value of old p is 5. Now what is the value of r? The value of r is 4. So 5 into 4 is 20. Again, now we have multiplied 5 into 4. Actually this statement, let n is equal to n backslash 10, this act as a counter. Whatever the length of the whatever the length, that is the length of number, as for example 3 here in this case, then these statements while n is greater than 0 and let n is equal to n backslash 10 helps us to execute the loop for the number of times, and that very number is the number of digits in the number. That's a little confusing, but that is only the word to say. And again, n is equal to n backslash 10 is 24 divided by 10 is 2.4, but 0.4 will be omitted. Why? Because it is a backslash division. So it is 2. Now is 2 greater than 0? Yes it is, so it will again be true. Let r is equal to 10 mod 10. When we divide 2 by 10, the remainder is going to be 2. Now the new value of p will be old value of p into r. What is the old value of p? It is 20. What is the value of r? It is 2, so it will be 40. Pretty sweet. And now n is equal to n backslash 10. 2 backslash 10 is 0.2, and 0.2 will be omitted because it is a backslash division, and only left with us is 0. So now the value of n is 0. Now is 0 is greater than 0? No, it is not, so it will exit the loop, while went loop. Now finally we have the product of the digits of the number in a variable called p as 40. So it will print out the product of digits is p, and what is the value of p? P is 40. So, and finally it will end the program. This is the way, this is the only way how QBasic outputs any program. Okay, and this is the most coolest and easiest way to get any program, that is to output the program by yourself. And actually there are also some questions in the SLC examination, I just remembered now, to write the output of a given program, and I have taught you guys this many times, so I think that you will surely do it in SLC examination. So let me just forgot to run this one. So go and start. Actually I'm now tired, my mouth is gonna be sucking to me. Oh, yeah. But I can't do anything, I must have to make tutorial for you guys. So actually the time right now is 2:30 AM. Actually I was sleeping, but unfortunately I woke up, and afterwards I'm not able to sleep again, and that's why I thought, in spite of wasting my time, I should make tutorials for my students, and that's why I am doing so. So 245, the product of digits is 40, is it? 2 4 is 8, and 8 into 5 is 40. Yes, it is correct. Let's run it again for another number, any number, random. Oh, let's choose the lengthier one as this, and it says the product is 192. Let's check it out. 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 2 is 40, 24 2 is 48, and 48 into 4 is 192. So yeah, it is correct. Cool, it means our program is running. So this is it for this tutorial. See you guys in next tutorial. Goodbye, and don't just wake up in the night like me at 2:30 and start studying. Actually I was not able to sleep, and that's why I'm making tutorial for you guys. But go and take a very nice amount of sleep. Go and sleep, and just watch my tutorials in the day, as watching the tutorials or watching any movies also in night causes a lot more hamper to the eyes. So please don't watch my tutorials at night, watch it in daytime in a good light. Okay, yeah. So this is for this tutorial. See you guys later, and please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. Okay, cool.